In June 2025, I received an email from YouTube. It is written in French, so I will translate the first paragraph of the email. It says, "Hello, Kid in French. We have noticed that you have not published any content on your channel, Kid in French, for several months, and that you no longer meet the eligibility criteria for the YouTube Partner Program. We know that monetization is an important tool for creators. That's why we're letting you know that unless you meet the partner program eligibility threshold within the next 30 days, we will disable monetization for the Kid in French channel. We will then cancel your contract and you will need to submit a new application to participate in the partner program." So one thing you need to know is that on this channel, on Kid in French channel, I didn't post a video for the past 8 months. So when they sent me this email, it was like 6 months that passed since I posted a video. And I knew about this rule. I knew that if you don't post a video for 6 months, YouTube will demonetize your channel. Do I like this rule? No, because I don't understand why they are doing this. I mean, before my channel got monetized, they were making money with AdSense. When my channel got monetized, they kept making money with AdSense and giving me part of it. Now that my channel is demonetized, they will keep making money from AdSense. So I'm like, why? Why do you want me to post videos if I don't want to post videos for now? I don't understand, but that's their rules. I guess I have to accept it. Although I don't think it's fair. Anyway, when I read this email, my first reaction was, okay, you need to post something, anything, in order to stay in the partner program. And then I thought, wait. No, why? Why would you post something if you don't want to post anything? Right? The reason why I didn't post for so long is because I didn't have time and I was not really willing to post anything because I was kind of reflecting on YouTube and social media in general. I was thinking about my consuming of videos online and how people in general consume videos, especially kids. You know, there are kids around me, friends, kids, family, kids, and so on. And I see how much time they spend online. And lately, I've been thinking that it is bad. It is bad for them. It is bad for me as well. And I'm not trying to say that videos and social media and so on screens are all bad. What I'm saying is that the amount of time and the type of content that we watch is not good. I'm not going to try to find statistics about how much screen time damage your brain. I'm not going to try to throw statistics about how much harmful content can be for kids, because when you give a screen to your kid and you're not behind them and trying to watch it with them, they can come across anything online, even on so-called kids channel. Anyway, so what I'm trying to say here is that for the past 6 months, I didn't have time to post. I didn't want to post, and I was rethinking my relationship with social media, with YouTube, and I was rethinking the existence of kids channel as well. I was also thinking about the direction that my channel, Kid in French, will take, because I want to keep the channel, but in the future, I don't know when, but in the future, my goal is to make it a channel that will encourage kids to read. That's my goal. If they have to spend time on screen, I'd rather have them listening to stories and encourage them to turn off the screen and read a book. So that's something I've been thinking of for a long time, because 6 months is a lot. I get it. But yeah, So I'm fine with not being in the YouTube partner program anymore. And to be honest, it wasn't even about money when it comes to this channel. Like I knew that kids channel were not the best way to get money, and AdSense in general is not the best way to make money. Like, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I got my channel got demonetized. I'm fine with it, I guess. I didn't earn that much with it. You can watch my previous video. I will put a link in the description of this video or in the comment section. But you can watch my other video and you will understand what I mean by earning peanuts when it comes to kids channel. Not to say that some people make a lot of money, because again, if you make millions and millions of views on YouTube with your kids channel, you can make money. And the thing is that with kid channel, kids, when they watch videos, they watch it again and again and again. So if you have a good channel and you find your audience, I guess you can make money. And if you don't rely on AdSense to make money and you create a business around it, there are definitely ways to make money with a kids channel. But yeah, so if you have a channel, whether it's a kids channel or a regular channel, if you don't know yet, well, now you know that you need to post and don't take breaks. Don't take like 6 month breaks, because if you do, your channel will get demonetized. Voila, that's what I had to say, and yeah, um, I guess I'm done. Bye.